use ROI's insights for future strategies. For this tip, you have to learn from your return on investment or ROI figures to make your marketing even better next time. You see, every campaign teaches you something new. So, use ROI insights to inform future marketing strategies. For example, if you find out that a particular ad brought in a lot of customers and made a big profit, you'll know to focus more on similar ads in the future, right? So apply the lessons from your ROI analysis to improve and optimize your future marketing plans. Dory sells house plants as a business. There was a time when she had a problem. Some of her ads were doing great, but others were not bringing in many customers. And during our consultation, Dory looked at her numbers. She saw that ads for plant care workshops were really popular, but the ads for gardening tools were not doing so well. So during our discussion, Dory had an idea. She decided to spend more money on promoting the workshops and less on the gardening tools ads. And guess what? It worked. More people started signing up for the workshops, and Dory's store made more money. Dory learned something important, and that's by focusing on what customers like. She could make her ads work better and grow her business. So remember, measuring and understanding the ROI of your marketing campaigns is essential in making informed business decisions.